Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about market research for startups. So what is basically market research and how it is done, and what is the major importance of market research for any startup business. Now, whenever you're going to start any startup or any business, you want to know that how your startup idea or your business will be welcomed by the economy, by the society, that how your idea is good, that that is your idea has the potential to make a difference in the people's life, is your idea even have the potential to make some significant changes in the society. So all this important information, all this sort of thing you are going to get from market research. So what is market research? Market research will enable you to get the entire information about the market, about your product and about your service. It is just like creating or conducting a survey for your products and services. Previously, we might have seen that many people used to come to our house and used to provide some test sample that, sir, please test this product and tell us how do you like it. So it is basically the same thing here as well. So basically here you are going to get the research about the market. How is market? Market research basically is a very powerful tool which nearly 90% of marketers and competitive intelligence professionals agree that using competitive research positively impacted their business. Research should be conducted regularly with rapid changing consumer needs. Next thing is understanding your buyers. Basically, if you do market research, then you will get to know facts about your target market. You will get to know what matters to someone who would purchase from you, the demand for your products, the potential price points, perception on your competition, impression of your branding. All this sort of information you are going to get from the market research. Now, next thing is surveys. In market research, we are basically going to conduct surveys. The question that you're going to ask on surveys must be very small type or MCQ types most favorably. It must be online, because if you do online survey, you're going to capture a big share of the market, because in offline way, you couldn't go to each and every place of the country. So with help of online survey, you can reach to even the distant part of the world as well. So survey should be very survey we were doing for market research. In this survey, you're going to ask question which basically will be short answered or MCQ based ones. So there are certain types of questions you must ask for survey. The very first is demographic questions. In this section, you're going to ask people about their age, their family income, etc. Why this section is important? Suppose you're selling some products which costs more than 1 crore rupees. So your survey will be more relevant if you get information, if you get the survey response from those people whose earning is more than 1 crore. So demographic questions are quite very important. Suppose you are selling some product in a particular place. So the number of survey response you are getting from the particular place is quite important for you than the results which you are getting from other parts of the country. So demographic questions are quite important, though it depends upon your product, your service, or on your startup. Then competitor industrial questions. Here you will going to ask people that when you know about this industry, whenever this industry comes to your mind, suppose edtech industry, then which brand comes to your mind? Unacademy, Byju's, or something like that. So basically, you're going to ask people here in this section that what are the demerits of that particular industry or the particular product which you are using, and what all things you would like to have with the existing services offered. So you will get to know about the entire information that what all things consumer wants from you. By doing so, you can get to know that what all things I need to add in my product or services. So it is comparator and industrial questions. Then we have product related question. This question is applicable to those who have already used your product or service beforehand. Here you're going to ask people that how was the product, how do you get to know about this product or service from online, YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, from different sources. If we have used this product, then what all things we must improve, what all things we must add in our services. So all these questions you can ask from here. Then we have question related to business. Suppose you are a B2B startup who is selling some products to business, means your product is going to be used by some business firm. Here you're going to ask people that what is your business, how my product will can impact your business. So basically ask about the size of the company and what industry it operates in. So all these questions you're going to ask about if you are a B2B startup, business to business. Then you're going to ask about brand related question. Ask survey takers if they had heard about your brand, how they have heard about your brand, what they think of it, what they associate with it, how trustworthy they perceive you to be. All this information you will ask in the brand related questions. Then after doing all this 5 types of question or 4 types of question analysis, you will be getting some accurate results. Suppose people have said that your product is good, but your product don't have reach, means your product is not accessible by a lot of people in the country. In that case, you need to work on your marketing team. Suppose that people have said that your product is very good, but the design is not up to the mark. So you have to work with the team of design. So basically, after conducting the entire market research, market survey, you will get the complete information that how your product is looks, what are the things you must change, what are the things you must add. So because of this reason, market research is quite very important for you. You can also add one more section in market research that about this idea that I'm going to start off with this. This is my idea, how it is. You can ask to people, your close friends and relatives will be the one who are going to give a complete detailed answer to this. Otherwise, many will just click yes or no. So basically, you're going to ask the question to the potential people who have the knowledge of the particular field, who are basically going to use the product. Suppose you're selling products of laptop, you're going to ask the survey from those people who are interested in laptop. You will not give the survey to someone who is not interested, who is more than 70 or 80 years old, who will not use laptop in their life even. So basically all these things comes under the question of the first part, which I said about the demographic questions. So this is all about this video. I hope you understand about market research. Stay tuned. Further videos will be included in this session as well. Do follow me on Instagram as well. The link is here in the description as well. Thank you.